pleasure to welcome you all to this one-day series of workshops of our Medical Research Volunteer Program, MRVP, for the year 2026. This is the 7th edition of our MRVP Undergraduate Research Workshops. We will have a series of 6 workshops today with a very generous launch. The MRVP was founded in May 2014 after a 2-year dormant phase. MRVP was launched on the belief that education should not rely on exceptional moments or individual brilliance, but on systems that sustain learning and change over time. The MRVP is one of the 10 initiatives of our Transformative Education TREAD program at AUB. A week from today, TREAD will be celebrating its 15th anniversary. Inspiration may ignite change, but only structure allows it to endure. MRVP was designed as a living system that embeds mentorship, real-world engagement, and interdisciplinary learning into everyday academic life, ensuring continuity rather than episodic impact. Through long-term involvement in research and community settings, education becomes something students actively practice, refine, and pass on. Some students return as mentors, reinforcing a self-sustaining cycle. Education evolves from individual achievement into a shared ecosystem where experience and impact continue to multiply. In MRVP, AUB undergraduate students are matched to work on medical research projects with researchers from the AUB Faculty of Medicine on a volunteer basis. Since the inception of MRVP, hundreds of AUB undergraduate students have been matched to work on MRVP projects with principal investigators from the AUB Faculty of Medicine, and some of them have co-authored publications in high-impact journals, as you will learn today. Many of the students who started working on MRVP projects during their undergraduate studies continued to conduct research with the same principal investigators throughout their medical studies at AUB. In September 2021, we launched the MRVP International. We particularly approached MD graduates from AUB from all over the world, inviting them to host our AUB undergraduate students in their research groups. Students enrolled in the MRVP International are only involved in remote research tasks. We're very excited about the MRVP International. My TREAD team, whom you see around, continue to work with me tirelessly to update the database of MD graduates from AUB, and we continue to reach out to these MDs as well as to other international principal investigators working in medical-related research projects from all over the world. In MRVP, students do not shadow or simulate research activities. They contribute to ongoing work alongside physicians, clinical researchers, and basic scientists. Several students, as I said earlier, have co-authored publications in high-impact journals, demonstrating that when access is restructured, undergraduates function not as preparatory trainees, but as genuine contributors within research systems. Think of MRVP as your backstage pass to the scientific world. You learn to cultivate analytical thinking and contribute to real-world scientific progress. We claim we changed the pre-medical culture at AUB with our MRVP. We're truly thrilled that 4 international principal investigators who are currently mentoring our AUB undergraduate students under the MRVP International will also give workshops today. In the current MRVP cycle, we have hit records in terms of the number of students applying, number of students matched, number of projects, number of participating principal investigators, and number of participating institutions. In the current MRVP cycle, 52 AUB undergraduate students are matched to work on 32 projects with 18 principal investigators from AUB, whilst 45 AUB undergraduate students are matched to work on 28 MRVP international projects with 22 international principal investigators from Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi, Connecticut Children's Medical Center, DMC Detroit Receiving Hospital, Harvard University, Johns Hopkins University, Mayo Clinic, McGill, MD Anderson, NHS University Hospitals of Liverpool Group, Stanford University, the University of New Mexico, UC Irvine Health, University of Minnesota, University of Texas at Austin, University of Virginia, UT Southwestern Medical Center, and Yale University. We continue to match students as soon as new projects open. For those interested in MRVP, we encourage you to apply to both the MRVP and the MRVP International to increase your chances of matching. Students attending all 6 workshops today will be given priority in MRVP matching in future MRVP calls. Also, those of you who attend all 6 sessions will be receiving electronic certificate of participation in today's workshops by the end of next week. Mazen Abdul Samad, where is Mazen? He's still outside? Mazen Abdul Samad from my track team will be emailing each of you with your electronic certificate. There, Mazen is in the corner over there. With that, let's start today's exciting workshop.